Hello guys, Girl Wolfie here, / Little Wolfie. You want to hear the most annoying sound in the world? Apparently it is. Anyway, stupid WhatsApp, so let's start it.
Do you want to hear the most annoying sound in the world?
My reaction right now is this. What the hell? I want to stop that there. That is really annoying. See you guys in the next episode. That's the most annoying sound in the world. You're welcome. See ya.